for the right vehicle? Check out 2013 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power windows, CD player, power door locks, passenger airbag on/off switch, child safety locks, brake assist, daytime running lights, rear head airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.